You can use this however your wires are run. Mine are coming right from the house, so this is the hole that I'm going to use. So I'm going to take these plugs and block up all the other ones so that I don't have bees making a nest and whatnot. Protect it from the weather. So since my wires come straight through here, I am going to be using a Romex connector right here. So what I want to do, I mean, this comes off too. So this is basically going to go like this. So I need to check this out and make sure that this is actually going to be able to be inset so that this can sit flat. So we'll go check it out. So without the Romex connector on there, I'm going to feed these wires through to just see how this is going to look. And you're going to notice that if I center this, then I am going to have to do some touch-up painting. So just keep that in mind. I'm sure there's a way to secure it to a square box, but since it has a round base on the ring, I want it to be nice and clean looking with a nice white round box. So now putting the Romex connector on, I can get an idea of how much I need to open this hole up. I'm going to look underneath. So it's quite a bit, but I think I can probably do it with a chisel. Let's give it a shot. I'm just going to move the wire up. Should be able to chisel just this block out a little bit. Obviously, I just want to be careful of the wires. There. There we go. And we got some wiggle room. Cool. So now, this is a little tricky. From behind, I got to tighten those screws so you can see, or bolts. Those ones right there. I'm going to have to do it from the top, just the way this box is oriented, because I want it like this. So you might not be able to see this too well, but trust me, I'm tightening it. You can see it's nice and tight. It's going to go just like that. Center of that block. I'm going to attach it with some exterior screws right out here.